Okay, so here's page 3 and 4, sort of the front and back of the second page. Okay, to solve this inequality, we need to distribute first on this right-hand side. Okay, then we have variables on opposite sides, so we need to use the opposite sign to get them together. So 12 plus 3y is greater than 18. Can undo addition with subtraction, so we'll have 3y, 6. And y is greater than 2. Number 25, the domain is all of our x values. So we're going to look here in our x column. And when we list them, we need to list them in braces with no repeats. So this 3 is happening twice, so we can only list it once. So we'll have 3, 5, and 7. Number 26, we just need to take these and put it back into ordered pairs. Okay, so we're going to see where they're connected. So I have an ordered pair 0, 1. I have an ordered pair -2, 8. I have an ordered pair -2, 1. And 8, 4. (27) is function notation. So when we're finding f of 2, it's asking us to plug that in for x. So we'll say 2 times 2 plus 6. So 4 plus 6, which is 10. So f of 2 will equal 10. 28 is asking us to find the slope. To find the slope between 2 points, right, we do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we get a -9 over a -1. 2 negatives make a positive, so we'll get a slope of +9. 29, same thing, we're finding the slope, so -6 minus -7 over 5 minus 5. Okay, so on top we'll get 1, on bottom we'll get 0. When we have 0 on the denominator, that's our undefined slope. If 0 was on top, then it would be no slope or 0 slope, but 0 is on the bottom, so that's our undefined slope. Number 30, finding m and b, right? This is y equals mx plus b form, so our m is going to be 2. Our b is going to be -8. So then in reverse order, if we plug this into y equals mx plus b, right? We'll say y equals 8x plus -2, but we would really write that as -2. That's what we'd see in multiple choice. So number 32, same deal. We'd have y equals 2/3 x plus 0, but we don't have to write that plus 0. So if we look at the back of this page, so if we want to find the x and y intercepts, that's where we can plug in a 0 value, or that's where we can sort of cover up and divide. So if we want to find the x intercept, right, we're going to ignore the y. 4x equals 8. We undo that with multiplication with division. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. So the x-intercept will equal 2. Okay, and then we'll go this way, right? And we'll divide by the -2. So that tells us that our y-intercept, oops, that's bad writing, will equal -4. 34, if we cover up and divide with our x, right? 24 divided by 12 is 2, so our x-intercept is 2. Okay, and then if we go the other route and we cover up here and we divide by -6, 24 divided by -6 tells us our y-intercept is -4. Okay, if we wanted to graph this line, actually this inequality, right, we would need to start at B. So, okay, so we'd go up 3. Then from there, we'll count our slope. We'll go up 2, right 1. Then because this is an inequality, right, this is going to be a dashed line. And we will shade it above.